So I have just told you that here it is 2 minus iota, one of the roots. You will assume the second root to be this 2 plus iota. You substitute these two roots one by one into this equation. You get two equations in A and B. Solve them simultaneously to get to the values of these unknown A and B. Okay. Now, if you go on to the next part, that is I'm more interested in, which includes locus in it. So this is the next question here. Come on. Yeah, here is the next question. This is, yeah, we have to draw an Argand diagram here. Can someone please tell me quickly what was the U with us? It was 2 plus iota? Because I need it here.
2 minus iota.
Okay, that was 2 minus iota. Now you should try this first of all, and then I'll be doing it. Okay. Now this seems to be an interesting question here. Let me see that this is the right. This is the real axis, and this one is the iota axis. Okay. So it says we have to shade. Okay, we have to shade the region. Which are like, both these inequalities. Now this is the modulus of z minus u. Remember, if it just says the modulus of z, let's say, that is equal to 1. So what would this mean to you? That would mean a circle. Whenever you say circle, you must mention two things: its center and its radius. Okay. So what is the radius when it? I mean, what is the center when it's just the modulus of z?
Origin.
That is always the origin. And this time, the center of the circle is this u that we have. This is 2 minus iota. So this is 2 minus iota. Okay. This is 2 minus iota over here. Let me call this point A. Okay, this is the u over here. Now it says its modulus is less than 1. So that would mean that our circle is going to be of the radius 1. And the region is inside this. So this point over here, and then this point over here, and then this point over here, and then this point over here. The circle will be passing through these 4 points, okay? And this would be inside the region. So let's draw this circle then. You have to show, this is a must, that you have to show that the circle has this, come on. The circle has this, what is that? Horizontal axis as a tangent on it, okay? Yeah, this looks better, okay? So this is, if this is 2 over here, this is 3 here, this is 1 here, this is minus 1, and this is minus 2. So the circle is touching these are the critical points that you must show that the circle is passing through these points here, okay? Now the next thing is z, modulus of z is less than the modulus of z plus iota. You would rather write it as the modulus of z is less than the modulus of z minus 0 minus iota. So what does it mean to you when you have two moduli on both the sides? So how would you interpret this? Yes?
It's a perpendicular bisector.
Perpendicular bisector of origin, like one point is 0, 0, the other point is 0, comma, minus 1. So here is the 0, 0, and the next one is 0, minus 1, okay? So you see that the perpendicular bisector is going to be a horizontal line, right? Because this one is a vertical line, so its midpoint is over here. So I would draw it dotted because there is no equal mark over here, okay? So that is how we have this here. So inside the circle and nearer to the origin than to the, okay, 0 minus iota and 0, 0. Yes. So it is nearer to the origin than to this 0 minus iota. So I have to shade it. So I'll be shading it with this yellow color over here, okay? So this is the region here. If you want to get full marks, you should keep the circle circumference dotted as well, okay? So if I can manage to show it dotted, yes. So that is how you have, this is the required region over here, satisfying these two inequalities.